In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage company settings in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or you've been using it for a while and just need a quick refresh, this guide is here to ensure you make the most out of your QuickBooks Online experience. Let's get started. First, we need to access your QuickBooks Online. Simply open your preferred web browser and log into your QuickBooks account. Once there, you'll find yourself on the home page, where all your financial activities are summarized nicely in one place. The next step is crucial for navigating through your settings. You'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see a gear icon. This gear icon is key in accessing most of the settings in QuickBooks, so go ahead and click on it. Once you click the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear showcasing various options and settings you can configure. In this menu, find and select Account and Settings. Clicking here will take you to the heart of your company's customizable options. It's essential to understand that QuickBooks Online organizes settings into separate tabs to help keep various aspects streamlined and easy to navigate. When you've entered the Account and Settings section, you'll notice several tabs on the left side of your screen. These include the company, sales, expenses, time, advanced, and possibly more depending on your version and subscription. Each tab houses specific settings relevant to the category, allowing you to adjust how your QuickBooks account behaves and displays information related to each area. Let's say you want to update your company's contact information or change your business logo. You would select the Company tab. In another instance, if you're looking to configure the way you track time for your employees, the Time tab would be where you find those settings. Likewise, modifications related to sales, including invoicing and payment options, would be under the Sales tab. The next step involves selecting the specific tab that corresponds to the settings you wish to manage. For instance, if your focus is on sales adjustments, click the Sales tab. After selecting a tab, you can efficiently update, enable, or disable various features and options, aligning them perfectly with how you want your account to function. Remember, each tab is rich with features that could greatly benefit how you handle various aspects of your business, improving both accuracy and efficiency. As you adjust your settings, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your changes are recorded. And there you have it, a simple, effective walkthrough on how to manage company settings in QuickBooks Online. With just a few clicks, you're equipped to tailor QuickBooks to suit the unique needs of your business. Take some time to explore these settings and make the most of what QuickBooks Online has to offer. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.